Let me show you how to achieve in-between makeup. My name is Deck Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Yes, today I want to teach you how to apply in-between makeup. In-between makeup means the makeup is not too loud and it's not too natural. In between. So what I just do, the first thing is I spray with primer and setting spray. The next thing is primer cream. This day, in fact, as you can observe, that thing I'm applying on the T-zone are sweat and oil block. Then now I'm applying brow timer. As you can see, I have beads on my hand. I know you will be wondering, why do I have beads on my hand? So this one now is foundation. Okay, the reason I have beads on my hand that day was the day I have my 17 years marriage anniversary, and this auntie have booked me for almost 2 months. So and she was waiting for me. She's running late. I just finished my photo shoot, and I said by the time I would start taking off my bead and everything, I was even with my gown, that heavy gown. I told her, let me just quickly attend to her, because we were almost 1 hour late because of my photo shoot. That is the reason for me to take off the beads again, take off my gown, then will now consume too much time, and she's running late. So our foundation is done. If you want to apply foundation, always apply foundation that match with her neck shade and neck color. So don't go too far from her neck color. So this auntie, she's a nurse, nurse in UK, not only in UK, all over the world. So what I'm using there now, I'm using darker color. I use darker color to point a little bit of her nose and the side of her cheek. So what I'm doing now, I'm baking her nose with the baking powder. So the way we do nurse makeup, most of the nurse, they don't want too much loud. So that is it. As you can observe, we don't even apply all this highlighter and all this concealer highlighter. So now I'm drawing the brows. So she told me she don't want too loud makeup, but she want to look, so if she want to look glowing, I said all right. So I asked her, because she will tie gele. I already dropped the video of gele. It's about almost 3 weeks ago. So I told her if she wants the color of her gele color to appear on her eyeshadow area. She said she don't mind, but she don't want the makeup to be that loud, but she still don't want the makeup to be so natural, so in between. So that is what we are creating at the moment. Okay, so I'm just defining the brows. So what I'm using there, I'm using concealer. Use it close to her color from the beginning, then you use brighter color in the end of from the middle, the eyebrows area. So what I'm applying now is eyeshadow base. So if you want your eyeshadow color to look so pop, first you apply eyeshadow base. All this product I'm using, I said then I have them. In case you want to patronize me, I will be so happy. Try and patronize me. I will post it to you. They are original makeup product. Yes, so they are very good, direct from the company. Don't use sour makeup. Okay, so I just blend. Then now I use dark. The color of our gele, that is what we are using. I want to, because you will see the color of her gele later, the end of this video. So the color of her gele, I just pick some, like 2 color inside the color, Also, the color of her gele is multicolor, like about 4 colors on the ashoke. I just picked 2. Okay, so try and focus, because this is she's going to night party. I told her that let me just put some little, we have different type of glinter. This one is not glinter, but it's not just the normal eyeshadow. The one I'm about to apply now, it's not just like the normal glinter. There's a way they call this one. I forgot the name. If you know the name, you can help me out in the comment section. So I just apply eyelash. She told me she wants small eyelash, small. I just gave it to her the way she wanted it. In case you are watching me for the first time, I based in United Kingdom, London. So book me for your event. I'm available to travel. So we are into makeup. Go to my Instagram. You will see all my work are there. All my jobs are there. Go to my Instagram. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. Deck Beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional bridal hair, okuku. So we do photo shoot as well. I have studio here in London. I give it to you the way you want it. Okay, so let me dust and blend the face right now. Let me blend the face right now up to the neck area. Yes, so I was so much in a rush because she's running late. I said, let me just try my best. Yes, this makeup you see is just foundation without all those highlighting. So let me spray. This is setting spray. Yes, so I'll give her a little bit of blusher. Little bit of blusher to pop out her face a little bit. Okay. I hope you are learning. I have video I drop how to apply it on your face. That is a lighter. So if you want to learn how to apply it on your face by yourself, I have the video as well. Go to my YouTube channel. I have different videos that will help you. Go and check. And today I start uploading video of this okuku. So I split the video. So the number 1 video, I already drop it in case you want to know how to do traditional bridal okuku hair style by yourself. Okay, so I want to give her lipstick that is not too loud, because I told her eyes is already popping. The eyeshadow is already popping. If I give her like all this red lipstick and the loud lipstick that is that loud, then you will see her appearing so loud. That is it. This is the final. So my people, so I freeze our face. This freezing, I say everything. That spray is not setting spray. It's called freezing spray. So let me show my face now. Oh my God, see me. Oh. See my face. That is me. Yes, so as you can see her, she's ready. She says she wants to look glowing, natural glowing. All these our auntie-nons, they don't like too much flashing. Yes, so she is looking glowing. Not too loud, not too natural. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video. Yes, so please don't forget to screenshot all this my service so that you can patronize me. Screenshot it. All these are my job. So these are my job. I will give it to you. We have the latest one of all this version. Yes, so don't forget to drop your comment down below. We sell makeup product. We sell your perfume. Patronize me. Follow me in all my social media. God bless you. Bye.